Hey everyone! So in this video, I'll show you how to see your text message history on Verizon, including messages sent and received from your account. Step 1. Open the Verizon website or app. Go to Verizon.com or open the My Verizon app on your phone. Log in using your Verizon account username and password. Step 2. Access the account overview. Once you're logged in, tap or click on Account, then select Text Online or View Usage Details, depending on your plan. This is where Verizon keeps your text message records. Step 3. View Message History. You'll now see a list of sent and received text logs showing phone numbers, dates, and times. Keep in mind that Verizon doesn't store message content, only message details. To see the actual message text, you need to check directly from the phone that sent or received it. Step 4. Download or print records if optional. If you need the records for documentation, you can download or print them directly from your account page. Important notes. Verizon only stores text message logs, numbers, timestamps, duration, not message content. Message content can sometimes be viewed through Verizon Messages Plus if synced. Make sure you're logged into the main account holder profile to view all numbers on the plan. And that's it! You now know how to see your text message history on Verizon quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.